You know, I'm always amazed by how calm and inviting spas feel, just like a little oasis away from the everyday chaos.
Right.
But have you ever wondered what it really takes to create that serene experience? Like
Yeah.
what's going on behind the scenes?
It's definitely more than meets the eye, I think.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of spa attendants,
Okay.
what they do, the skills they need, and the surprising career paths this role can actually lead to.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's more than just giving out towels and
Well, like
I don't know,
it's so much more than towels.
fluffing robes or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we've got some really cool intel from RoleCatcher's Career Resources,
Oh, cool.
including their Spa Attendant Career Guide to help us uncover these secrets to landing that dream spa job.
Ooh, I like it.
Right. So tell me more about that. What is this insider info? What is RoleCatcher telling us about?
Well, their insights are spot on.
Okay.
Their guide really emphasizes that a spa attendant isn't just there to hand out towels.
They're really the architects of relaxation,
Oh, interesting.
ensuring that each guest feels pampered and rejuvenated.
Okay, so they're like the ultimate hosts of the wellness world.
Exactly.
Okay,
Think about it. They're the first point of contact,
right.
greeting guests, offering a warm welcome, and really setting the tone for that entire spa experience.
So important.
It is.
Yeah.
And from there, they might guide guests through the facilities,
Okay.
answer questions about treatments, and even offer personalized recommendations.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Speaking of recommendations, RoleCatcher's guide mentioned that spa attendants often handle product sales too.
Yes.
So it's not just about, those fluffy robes and cucumber water. There's a bit of salesmanship involved.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Imagine you've just had the most incredible massage.
Okay.
Your muscles are relaxed, your mind is clear,
I'm already relaxed just thinking about it.
right? And then your spa attendant introduces you to the aromatherapy oil that was used during the treatment.
Um,
They explain its calming benefits, maybe even let you experience the scent again.
Smart.
It's a subtle but very powerful form of salesmanship.
I like it.
Yeah.
So you need to be able to connect with people, understand their needs, and recommend products that actually enhance their overall experience.
Exactly.
So it's really interesting. It's like a blend of hospitality and wellness expertise.
You hit the nail on the head.
Okay.
A successful spa attendant has impeccable interpersonal skills.
Right, because you're the face of the spa in a lot of ways.
Exactly.
You're the first person people are interacting with.
Yeah, you're building rapport, you're inspiring trust,
Right.
making guests feel comfortable and pampered.
Mhm.
This isn't just about selling a product.
Okay.
It's about enhancing someone's well-being.
That makes total sense.
Right.
Now, while the guest-facing aspects of the role sound amazing, I'm curious about what goes on behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Because RoleCatcher's Guide also hinted at some, less glamorous tasks,
Of course.
like cleaning treatment rooms and managing inventory.
That's very true.
So it's not all aromatherapy candles and soothing music.
Right.
There's some elbow grease involved too.
Precisely.
Okay.
This role requires a balance of physical stamina and meticulous attention to detail.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about that. What does that look like?
Well, imagine changing linens, sanitizing surfaces, restocking products.
Okay.
It's really about maintaining that impeccable standard of hygiene and presentation that spa guests expect.
That's a great point. So for anyone picturing themselves just lounging around in a spa all day,
Right.
it's important to remember that this is still a job.
Yes,
And it comes with its own, unique set of demands.
absolutely. And while we're on the topic of expectations versus reality,
Yeah.
let's talk about career progression.
Right.
Is being a spa attendant a stepping stone to bigger things?
Okay.
Or can you build a long-term career in this role?
That's a question I bet a lot of listeners are wondering about.
I'm sure.
What does RoleCatcher have to say about that?
Well, according to RoleCatcher's research, the spa industry is booming. Yeah.
Wow.
More and more people are prioritizing self-care and wellness.
Right.
So the demand for these skilled spa attendants is increasing steadily.
That's really encouraging news for anyone considering this career path.
It is.
So there's room for growth and stability in this industry.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
As you gain experience and you build your expertise, you can advance to roles like senior spa attendant,
Okay.
where you might oversee a team or manage schedules,
Cool.
maybe even train new hires.
So there's a clear path for upward mobility within a spa setting.
There is.
But what about those who might want to branch out and explore other areas of the wellness industry?
Yeah, that's where it gets really exciting.
Okay.
Many spa attendants leverage their experience and passion for wellness to pursue additional certifications or training.
Oh, okay.
So some become licensed massage therapists,
Okay.
estheticians, or even open their own wellness centers.
Wow, that's incredible.
Right.
You could go from creating those relaxing experiences to like managing a team or even running your own spa.
Exactly.
Talk about a fulfilling career journey.
It really is. It's a field that allows for both personal and professional growth,
I like it.
with opportunities to really specialize in areas that resonate with you.
Right up your alley.
Exactly.
Okay.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Right.
Before you're managing a team or
Wait.
opening up your own spa,
Yeah.
you need to land that first spa attendant role.
Okay. True. True. You're right. Let's talk about the job hunt.
Let's do it.
Now, I've been through my fair share of job applications,
Right.
and it can be like a daunting process,
It can be.
especially if you're not sure how to stand out from the crowd.
Oh, absolutely.
Hmm.
That's where RoleCatcher's interview prep module can be a game changer.
Okay, I'm listening.
Remember how we talked about the importance of interpersonal skills in this role?
Right.
Well, the interview is where you really get to showcase those skills.
Yeah, that's your time to shine.
Exactly.
What kind of questions should someone prepping for a spa attendant interview be ready for?
So RoleCatcher has an entire database dedicated to interview questions
Okay.
with over 120,000 practice questions
Whoa.
tailored to various careers,
Okay.
including,
What?
you guessed it, spa attendant.
120,000 questions. That's amazing. But honestly, it also sounds a little overwhelming.
It does sound like a lot.
Where do you even begin with that many questions?
Well, it's actually incredibly user-friendly.
Okay.
RoleCatcher's platform categorizes questions by industry seniority level
Okay.
and even by the specific skills that they assess.
Oh, that's helpful.
So you're not just getting generic advice, you're getting very targeted practice for the exact type of spa attendant role that you're interested in.
Okay, that makes me feel a lot better.
That's-
So instead of getting bogged down in like a sea of questions, I can
Okay.
really focus on the ones that are most relevant to my dream spa job.
Exactly. And to make your preparation even more effective,
Okay.
RoleCatcher includes these sample scenarios
Okay.
to help you think through those challenging situations. So for example, imagine a guest is unhappy with the pressure of their massage.
Oh, yeah.
How would you handle that situation
Right.
while remaining calm and professional?
That's a really good example. It's one thing to like say you have great customer service skills,
Right.
but it's another to actually demonstrate how you'd navigate like a tricky situation gracefully.
Precisely. And to give you an even bigger advantage,
Okay.
RoleCatcher offers AI-powered feedback
What?
on your interview responses.
Wait, seriously, AI feedback, how does that work?
You can actually record yourself
Oh, cool.
answering practice questions directly on the platform.
Okay.
Then RoleCatcher's AI analyzes your response, providing feedback on everything from your pacing and clarity to your body language and tone of voice.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
So not only does it help you like craft strong answers, but it also helps you deliver them confidently and effectively.
Got it. It's all about fine-tuning those subtle cues that can make a big difference in an interview.
Totally.
And let's be honest, the job search itself can be overwhelming.
Oh, tell me about it.
You're browsing multiple job boards, you're submitting applications, you're trying to keep track of everything.
It's enough to make anyone's head spin.
It really is.
Yeah.
Well, RoleCatcher simplifies that entire process with their integrated job board and application tracking system.
Okay.
So instead of hopping between different websites,
Right.
you can search for spa attendant openings from multiple sources, all in one convenient location.
Okay, that already sounds like a huge time saver, but does it go beyond just listing the available jobs?
It does.
What makes RoleCatcher's job board different from all the others?
This is where their job spec analysis feature really shines. RoleCatcher's AI actually analyzes each job description,
Oh, cool.
identifying those key skills that employers are really looking for.
So instead of just seeing a generic, like, spa attendant listing,
Right.
I can get, like, a better sense of what each employer is really prioritizing.
Exactly.
Whether it's customer service or product knowledge or, something else entirely.
You got it. And here's the best part. RoleCatcher even scores your CV or resume against each job description.
Wait, really? It's like having a secret weapon in the job search arsenal.
I know, right?
Tell me more.
How does that work?
So it's all powered by AI.
Okay.
You upload your CV, and RoleCatcher analyzes it,
Okay.
comparing your skills and experience to the keywords and requirements that are highlighted in each job description.
Okay.
And you'll see exactly where you align and where there might be gaps that you need to address.
That's so helpful because like sometimes it can feel like you're just like throwing spaghetti at a wall and seeing what sticks.
Right.
But this is like it's giving you that personalized feedback,
It is.
helping me refine my CV to be as strong as possible for each application.
Exactly. And if you have like multiple versions of your CV,
Okay.
say one emphasizing your customer service skills and another one highlighting your knowledge of aromatherapy,
Right.
RoleCatcher will even recommend which version is the strongest match for each job. Oh, that's amazing. It's like having a personal career coach in my back pocket guiding me every step of the way.
That's a good way to put it. It really streamlines the process
Yeah.
and it helps you put your best foot forward.
Okay.
And to top it all off, RoleCatcher's platform
Yeah.
really keeps you organized throughout this entire job search.
Oh, thank goodness. Because that's the part that I always like, I start to lose track of things.
Well, they have it all. You can track your applications. You can make notes about specific employers.
Okay.
You can even set reminders to follow up after interviews.
Oh, that's so important. All in one place.
So no more frantic email searches
Right.
or trying to remember where you left off with each application.
Exactly. They've really taken all the stress and the overwhelm out of the job search, empowering you to approach each opportunity strategically and with confidence.
I love that. So for our listeners who are, feeling really inspired to
Yes.
trade in maybe those spreadsheets
Right.
for a world of aromatherapy and tranquil vibes.
What are some of the key takeaways that they should keep in mind as they kind of embark on this journey?
Well, first and foremost, remember that being a spa attendant is about more than just creating a relaxing atmosphere.
Okay.
It really requires this unique blend of customer service,
Okay.
salesmanship, and attention to detail.
Right.
And while the work itself can be so rewarding and enjoyable,
Right.
it's important to be prepared for the physical demands and those behind-the-scenes tasks that come with the role.
Absolutely. It's all about setting those realistic expectations.
It is.
But the good news is with the growing focus on wellness and self-care,
Yes,
the career prospects for spa attendants are looking very promising.
they really are. Whether you're looking for a fulfilling long-term career
Right.
or a stepping stone into other areas of the wellness industry, becoming a spa attendant can be an excellent option.
I love it. And thanks to resources like RoleCatcher,
Yes.
you can approach your job search armed with that knowledge, the tools, and the confidence to really land that dream spa job.
Absolutely, because having the right information and support can make all the difference.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So for all of you who are ready to embark on this career path,
Yes.
filled with hopefully some tranquility and rejuvenation, remember this. A spa attendant's journey starts with a passion for wellness,
Right.
but it's really fueled by that preparation and a strategic approach to your job search.
You got it.
And with RoleCatcher in your corner, you'll be well on your way to creating those blissful spa experiences for yourself and others.
Well said.
And that concludes our deep dive into the world of spa attendants. We hope you've gained some valuable insights and feel empowered to pursue your own wellness career goals.
Yes.
Until next time, take care and stay well.